She's wondering why I'm out here.
She's barking with the inner mouth.
I know. Here, do you want to videotape and see if she... What are you doing, Splash? Hi. Come here. What are you doing? What are you doing, good girl? Good girl. What are you doing?
You didn't know who that was?
Is that a good girl? What are you doing? You like the grass? You like the grass? Good girl. Good girl. You're such a good girl. All right, let's go throw some more.
Okay.
All right.
All right. Good girl.
Toss it further next time.